Yo, what up? Happy New Year, everyone. So I had my first track day December 3rd, and it's January 4th, so Happy New Year. Yep, judging by the title of the video, you guys already know. I took my 9th gen out to Buttonwillow Raceway. It was layout 13 clockwise, and man, it did great. So a few updates on the car. I have Evo X wheels now. I no longer have the gold weds that I used to have on here. Oh man, it's so dirty. It's been raining in San Diego, but it's all clear, sunny skies now. But yeah, so without further ado, I'm gonna insert the clip of my personal best lap time, which was 2:21.220. And I was in the beginner class, so I did get stuck in some traffic on the later sessions. But yeah, so without further ado, I'm gonna insert it right now. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Yeah, so I'm gonna go over the mods of the car real quick, and I'll put it in the description of the video. So this car, the 9th gen, I changed out the suspension. It now has D2 coilovers. So now I actually have front camber plates on it now, which is cool, but the only problem with that is I can't get any more camber than it already has, which is like negative 2.4 in the front, and I'm trying to get at least like negative 3 camber in the front. And I also picked up SPC Rear camber kit, so I'm running like negative 3 camber in the rear. It's backwards, it needs to be switched, so I'll have it figured out probably by the middle of this month, maybe next week. I'm gonna head out to Anaheim and go to Chi Works. I gotta hit them up first. So anyways, yeah, so D2 coilovers, SPC rear camber kit, and then the Evo X wheels. I actually got these for a good deal. Got these for 600 bucks. They came with Falken RT 615Ks, 245 40 all around. This wheel is 18 by 8.5 plus 38 offset, so it's perfect. Like, I don't even have to roll my front fender or anything. I thought I would have to. As far as the rear, it has so much clearance. My rear fender is actually not rolled. The tab that's right here in the fender lining, that is just flattened out, but other than that, it sits perfect. So yeah, the car does look kind of low to the ground, but that's because I'm at a higher angle. Yeah, this car did great. Also, I forgot to mention my okay, come on now. My engine is completely stock. It's just a stock K24W Earth Dreams engine with a 6-speed manual, and oh man, this car just, it felt great. So yeah, I actually wanted to take the sedan. I actually wanted to take my sedan. That was actually the car that was supposed to be meant for the track, but that car does need a lot of TLC, tender loving care, and it was just more reasonable to take the 9th gen out to the track that day. So for the plan for this year is just to take the 9th gen out to all the VTEC Club events this year, and luckily it's like month after month, and yeah, there's like one track event each month, starting this month on the 28th. No, I'm sorry, on the 30th at Streets of Willow. That's VTEC Club round 1. So this car will be there. As far as what I need to do to the car, nothing. I just need to get new rear brake pads. What else? Probably bleed the brakes and a new alignment so that I can actually get a track alignment on this car. But yeah, I wanted to do more stuff to the car, but just thinking about it, my buddy Alex was the one that convinced me to take the 9th gen out to start tracking with. It's, for one, comparing this car and my sedan, this car is more reliable, has more power, the gear ratio is a lot better. What else can I say? It's more comfortable. I'll tell you that. Yeah, it just, and the cost of me tracking the sedan versus this car, I would need to do a lot more to the sedan. I would need to do a lot more to the sedan in order for it to at least be track worthy. And what I mean by that is just it being reliable, because that car has, I just hit 280k on the sedan, so I'm pretty sure that's the original engine and transmission, and the clutch is pretty much almost done, and the sedan burns oil at high RPM. Excuse me, it burns oil at high RPM. So yeah, it was a no-brainer. You know, I had to let go of the stance. I had to let go of the stance on the 9th gen, and I was pretty sad, but at the same time it was so worth it. I wanted to get some more of my friends to start tracking too, and maybe whoever just watching this video, like, hey, you know, just do it. I've always wanted to do track. I've always wanted to do motorsport, and I was just really like picky, like, hey, yeah, I want to do it in the older car, because I can do a lot more to the older car and stuff like that. But I didn't really think about like how cheap and reliable just taking this compared to that was. You know, I don't have to do anything to this car, just basic maintenance. Yeah. So like I said, this year I'm not really gonna add anything to the coupe. I'm just gonna take it as is, do my basic maintenance and routine checkups after every track day, you know, just checking all the bushings and changing all the fluids each time I come back home. I wanted a bucket seat, but even thinking about now, I don't even know if I really want to put a bucket seat in there, because the thing that sucks about like the newer cars, if you guys don't know this already, this car for example, it's like this car for example, it has a weight sensor on the seat. So let's say I put a bucket seat in, the SRS light will come on, so the airbag system won't be functioning properly, and I don't want anybody in my passenger seat to get hurt if you know, I get into an accident on the way to the track or on the way back from the track. And usually my passenger would be like, you know, my girlfriend for example. She actually likes motorsport, and she actually came with me to my first track day, which was pretty awesome, and she caught so many cool clips, which I'll add at the end of the video. But yeah, I think I might just skip out on the bucket seat and just take it like this. Yeah, I just want to see what I can do under its own like stock power, and just keep it minimalistic. Sorry.
Cause you can, you won't, and you don't stop. Might be coming back for sure, Shaq. I got the brand new dude to guarantee like you. Who? I'm on like that the dawn. Yeah.